Mr. Anki Reddy Sai Praveen, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 14 in Electronics and Communication branch of Engineering in GATE 2022.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Sai Praveen, tell us how do you feel after securing this 14th rank in this GATE examination?
I feel very happy, sir, because I worked very hard. So I feel relaxed when I saw this rank.
Right, very good, Sai. Sai, which type of coaching program that you have availed from our ES Academy?
I enrolled in S Deep Learn, sir, in
Yes.
ECE branch.
Acha, you have enrolled in our ES Deep Learn recorded class program,
Yes, sir, recorded class program.
electronics branch. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sai Praveen, in our ES Deep Learn recorded class program, there are different types of subscriptions there. We have
Yes,
3 month subscription, 6 month subscription, 12 months, 2 year subscription also. So which one you have taken?
I have chosen for 1 year program, sir.
You have taken 1 year
Yes, sir.
1 year program, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Sai. See, tell us how this ES Deep Learn recorded classes coaching program played a crucial role in our preparation and securing this All India 14th rank in the GATE examination.
Actually, I prepared for 2021, sir. When I appeared exam, I got to know that I was very low at my basics. So I have chosen this deep learn platform, and the classes were extremely well, sir. They started from the basics and they went to the extreme levels, and that helped me to enhance my problem solving skills and my analytical skills. So it took less time to solve problems, sir.
Okay, Sai, actually, when did you enroll in our this Deep Learn recorded class program? In which month?
I think exactly on March 24th, sir.
March, right?
Yes,
March
sir.
2021, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, very good. Sai Praveen, may I know about your educational details, your college name, when did you pass out?
Yes, sir. I have completed my graduation from SRKR Engineering College in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am passed out in 2021 batch, sir.
Acha, Sai.
I have completed it in. Think we our sem exams were completed in July.
So, right, your semester exams completed in the July last year, right?
Yes, sir.
July last year. So, you enrolled in our program from March month onwards.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Okay, Sai Praveen. See, in our deep learn recorded classes, we have all the syllabus of your GATE examination. In fact, more than 800 recorded hours are there, right? If you take all
Yes,
that
sir. Yes, sir.
sheet modules, etc. Did you watch all these videos completely?
No, sir.
Why?
Uh, Actually, I have no time to complete all those recorded videos, sir.
Mm.
So I have chosen some tough subjects and I saw them completely. 4 subjects I have completely watched, sir. And then I saw some difficult topics from deep learn, sir, in all subjects.
Okay. Now, can you name those 4 subjects that you have watched completely in our deep learn recorded classes?
Yes, sir. Firstly, I started with electromagnetics. Then I saw communications. Then electronic devices and circuits. And finally, analog circuits, sir.
Okay. So all the top subjects you have watched from our deep learn
Yes, sir.
recorded
Yes,
classes.
sir.
And also you are mentioning that some topics, tough topics from the rest of the subjects of your EC also you have watched.
Yes, sir.
Can you name me some topics that you have watched?
Uh, from network analysis, I saw transient analysis, sir. And from digital logics, the logic families. From this control systems, I watched this. I can't remember exactly, sir. State space analysis, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is what the one of the specific advantage of this deep learn recorded class program.
Yes, sir.
That facility may not be there in our what you call offline classes. Yet the
Yes, sir.
advantage is what a topic that you want to selectively listen.
Yes, sir.
That is one of the main exclusive advantage of this recorded classes of our deep learn.
And one advantage is we can watch whenever we want.
Yes, yes. Very
Yes,
flexibility is there.
yes, sir.
And moreover, depending upon your understanding levels, you can watch it at 1.5x and
Yes,
1.7
sir.
also.
Yes, sir. To
Like,
reduce
did you
time,
watch our videos?
sir.
At which speed?
I actually I watched almost all videos at 1.5x, sir. But communications, I went with one, sir.
Right, right. Okay. Depending upon your what you call knowledge, previous knowledge, you can adjust the speed, right?
Yes,
Watching.
yes,
Fine, Sai. You tell us while watching these deep learning recorded classes, did you prepare simultaneously any short notes, any rough notes, something as such?
yes, sir. I have written all the notes, sir. Whatever sir gave me, I noted down, sir.
Okay. When Sar was discussing in that video, so you used to watch it and at the same time you used to write also in the notes, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But could you write all the points? Is it
Yes,
possible?
sir. Sometimes I used to pause the video and
Yes.
I have written the notes, and then I started playing the video, sir.
Yes, that's another advantage also there.
Yes, sir.
Wherever you want to write some elaborate points, also you can pause that video,
Yes, sir.
you can do it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, there are many specific advantages of this program.
Yes, sir.
In fact, did you write the entire notes? Let me ask once again. Are only important main points of formula, etc. You have written your notes?
No, sir. I have written entire notes, sir.
Entire notes. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Okay, that's what your running notes while watching the videos, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
apart from this running notes, watching the videos, did you prepare any other short notes further?
Yes, sir. After completing the entire subject, I use it to prepare short notes for that subject, sir. So that when I revise, I use it to go through that note, sir, so that it becomes easy for me.
Okay, Mr. Sai Praveen, can you tell us what points that you used to keep in our short notes?
I use it to write the physical significance of the particular concept, sir. I use it to wrote down the formulas and main objective of that concept.
Okay, mean the gist you mean to say, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
gist you have written and the formula also you have written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and tell us how often you used to revise that short notes? At what frequency? Weekly or monthly or monthly? How many times?
Actually, I followed a plan, sir. Actually, I used to revise every day uh, for 1 hour. I used to revise the previous subject what I have read, so that my revision plan was very uh, advantage, sir.
Okay, Sai Praveen, see, you passed out in the 2021 July month, right?
Yes, sir.
So we must be having very good time at your disposal to prepare for this GATE examination.
Yes,
Per
sir.
day, how many hours you used to spend on this preparation?
I used to sit for 7 to 8 hours, sir.
7 to 8 hours. Let us
Yes,
say
sir.
8 hours, right? In
Yes,
eight
sir.
hours of preparation time, how many hours you used to see that videos and how many hours you used to revise that notes? Can you elaborate your actual study plans, daily study plans?
Yes, sir. I used to watch these videos for 6 hours, then 1 hour for my revision of previous subjects, and then 1 hour for problem solving of these concepts what I read today.
Okay. What you used to do the rest of the time?
I used to watch some comedy videos in YouTube, sir, and I used to sleep more.
So I used to sleep more. So
Yes,
you
sir.
must be a very relaxed person, right? Good, good. That's also equally important, right? You should not
Yes,
become what you call tense and pressurized, seeing the so much syllabus of a gate, etc. Right?
yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. Uh, and one more point, apart from this, watching this video and preparation of your short notes and solving the previous year's question bank, etc., did you refer to any other textbook further?
No, sir.
So,
No
what is
textbook.
your opinion? Our ESE deep learning recorded class. In fact, we have covered very comprehensively in these recorded classes. I think that is more than sufficient for our examination. Or what is your take? Do you require to refer to any textbook further? Is it really required?
No, sir. If we complete all the lectures, we don't need any another textbooks or some other notes to get good ranks, sir. Because everything is extremely well covered in this course, sir. So I never referred any books, sir.
So there is no nesty at all. What you say,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So you are saying that everything is perfectly covered in these recorded videos.
Yes, sir.
It is more than sufficient for our GATE
Yes, sir.
examination.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. Did you practice the previous year's question bank also?
Yes, sir. I practiced
How many
them.
times you have practiced the previous year's questions?
I think I have done 2 to 3 times, sir.
2 to 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Sai Praveen, you might have also taken the GATE exam in 2021.
Yes, sir.
What was your rank during that time?
My rank was 3,933, sir.
3,900. Okay, almost nearly 4,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Now, from the 2001 4,000 rank, now this 2022 14th, 1/4 rank.
Yes, sir.
So there is a lot of improvement, Mr. Sai Praveen.
Yes,
Please
sir.
tell us what type of modifications, what type of changes you have made in a preparation so that from 4,000 rank you have got this 14th rank this year.
Actually, I prepared for 2021, sir, but I was not very much serious. I used to see those concepts uh, just to watch them. I didn't practice at all, and I went to the exam and I failed it. Then after that, I realized that GATE exam needs a lot of practice and we need to solve many questions in very limited time. So I used to practice many questions, sir. And I have taken this this online test series was free when we buy deep lens, sir. So I practiced all those questions. I almost completed 70% of the test, sir. So
Okay,
this practice helped me a lot, and I have written all the 12 mock tests from deep lens, sir.
right. So to have good practice, you have used our online test series effectively, right? Almost
Yes,
all
sir.
the 12 full-length mock tests you have taken. And
Yes, sir.
apart from this topic-wise subject-wise test also you have
Yes, sir.
taken.
Yes, sir.
So was it really good enough for you to have more practice?
Yes, sir. It was actually more than good enough.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, Sai Praveen. See, uh, you have so many subjects in our electronics branch, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you suggest to the juniors to follow a particular sequence? Otherwise, you can start preparation randomly any subject of your choice.
No, sir. Actually, I feel to get good rank, we must follow sequence, sir.
Can you
So
suggest
we
some
need,
sequence? Can you suggest?
yes, sir. We need to start with networks or signals and systems, then control systems, then digital logics. After that, here comes from this some top subjects are EDC, analog circuits, electromagnetics, and finally communications, sir. Mass is a part we can fix it at somewhere, sir. We can divide it and study in between.
Right. So that sequence, if you follow, how what will be the advantage if you follow that sequence, Sai?
Advantage will be most of the students will be solving these signals and systems networks questions, sir.
Mm,
So one need to excellent at that subject, sir. So we first need to prepare those
mm,
so that we will be also at the same level of the other students. So if we solve these tough subjects like electromagnetics and communications, it will improve our rank.
mm. And moreover, I just want to add one more point here. What I came to know from the other aspirants is relatively these circuits, digital subject, and then control systems, networks, etc. They are relatively easy and highly scoring in the examination.
Yes, sir.
Highly scoring. So if you complete them in the beginning, you get a lot of confidence mentally,
Yes, sir.
right? With that mental confidence, you can make a good preparation further.
Yes, sir.
That's another advantage also there, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Right. And Sai, when you are watching those videos of our deep learn recorded classes, if you come across certain doubts, etc., so how you used to get them clarified?
Actually, I used to clarify them on my own, sir, mostly.
Hmm,
But even if I fail,
hmm.
then I used to contact Ox and expert options, sir.
Yes, we have
So,
provided in our recorded classes.
yes, sir.
Ask an expert, what you call facility there, and you
Uh,
have press chat also. You can raise your doubts there.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. And most importantly, I got answers within hours, sir.
Yes, yes. Within
Uh,
hours, we try to provide that
yes, sir.
answers to your queries.
So that I didn't stuck at any point.
Yes, yes. That is another unique feature of our yes online recorded classes deep learn program.
Yes, sir.
So we have some faculty members. They always be attentive to clarify your doubts whenever you raise any doubts on these subjects.
Yes, sir.
And one more point I want to ask you. You said that you used to watch 6 hours a daily our recorded videos
Yes,
uh,
sir.
continuously. At otherwise, have not used any what you call breaks while watching.
Yes, sir. I used to take breaks.
At
I
what
used
interval you used to take breaks?
1.5 hour or 2 hours, sir.
Okay, after every 1.5 2 hours, you used to take a small break.
Yes, sir.
In the break, what you used to do?
I use it to sleep, sir. Sometimes just 15 minutes power nap
Hmm.
or something, sir, like that.
Right. Okay, okay, right. Very good, Sai. What was your plan of study in the last 1 week before the actual gate examination?
Uh, I stopped revising, sir, and I have given mock tests daily, and I use it to analyze those. And day before the exam, I have started seeing all the previous year question papers, sir,
Hmm.
so that no pressure will take me.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you said that in the last 1 week time you took some full length mock tests also.
Yes, sir.
And the same time, even while preparing also, you are taking some tests simultaneously, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Right.
But I started full length mock tests after completing all my syllabus, sir.
Okay. What about the subject-wise tests and the topic-wise tests? How could you schedule them while preparing this what you call subjects?
Uh, when I was studying a subject, I used to solve previous year questions, sir. Then after completing that subject, I started giving mock tests of that particular subject, sir, and topic wise tests of particular subjects, sir.
Right, right. Okay, Sai Praveen. On the day of the actual gate examination,
Yes, sir.
okay, right, we have 3 hours of time, 65 questions. Some students go with some what you call prior planning, like they want to attempt first what you call technical questions, and then they want to go for the aptitude. And some people, they want to attend first what you call the lengthy question, 2 marks question, then they want to go for aptitude, again go for 1 mark, like that. Some combination will be there.
Yes, sir.
Did you have such pre-planning before going to the actual examination?
No, sir.
Then
No
what you
such
have done in
plan.
the examination hall in the three
I
hours?
have I have solved from 1 to 65 at a single stretch, sir.
So in the sequence you have solved.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you come across certain tough questions in between,
I used to leave them, sir.
so you used to leave
Yes, sir.
and then go to the next
Uh,
question.
yes, sir. I used to solve in three sets, sir. In first set, I used to solve all the easy questions. Then in second set, I used to solve some moderate questions. And in final set, I used to try for the difficult questions.
Hmm.
So if I get answers, I attempt them. Otherwise, I left them.
So I mean to say that you have programmed to have some 3 cycles, right? In the first
Yes, sir.
cycle, all the easy questions you have done
Yes, sir.
in the sequence, right?
Yes, sir.
In the second cycle, you have attempted those left out somewhat moderate questions.
Yes, sir.
The third cycle, if any
Uh,
further tough question are there, again you have tried them.
yes, sir.
Okay, right. Some people are saying that this year your electronics paper is somewhat tough, etc. What is your take on this?
Yes, sir. Actually, examination was tough because of MSQs, sir.
Okay.
Uh, those confused us a lot, sir.
So how could you manage those MSQs? Because this year in electronics, there were many MSQs, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So when you saw those questions, so how did you take time to analyze and then answer those questions?
Uh, actually, I did. I have marked whatever I got, sir. Some theory questions was a little bit confusing,
Hmm.
so I use it to recall. Then, if I get anything in my mind, I marked that, sir.
Okay.
Otherwise, I left them, sir.
So you felt
Whatever
somewhat,
I got.
Sai Praveen, you mean to say you felt somewhat difficulty while attempting those MSQs?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Especially theory questions in MSQ, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So, Sai, did you attempt all the questions?
No, sir.
How many questions you have left in the exam?
4 questions, sir.
4 questions you have left.
Yes, sir.
So, with this 14th rank, how many marks you have got in the exam?
71.67 marks, sir.
71.67 marks. What was
Yes,
your
sir.
score? Gate score?
933, sir.
933 score.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Sai. You have
Thank
shared
you.
many points with us.
Thank
Sai,
you.
from your experience, right? You took the gate 2021, you got the
Yes.
4th rank nearly,
Yes,
and this
sir.
year, wonderfully, won for 14th rank, right? So, from your experience, what are the useful tips that you want to share with your juniors who want to take the gate examination in electronics branch?
Solving questions and revising frequently will always fetch ranks, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
solving questions and revising frequently.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Any other points?
Mm, Actually, some to solve many questions quickly, some assistance is necessary, sir.
Like,
So, like deep learn platform, using deep learn platform and enrolling in OTS, sir, online
yes,
test series.
yes.
So I prefer to say that students should follow these points.
Mm. So this OTS, right?
Yes, sir.
You have provided many exam mock papers, right? Test
Yes,
paper,
sir. Yes, sir.
plus a variety of questions, very useful for your practice, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sai Praveen, what are your specific observations of our ES deep learn recorded videos compared to what you call the classroom coaching and all?
The actual I didn't attend any classroom coaching, sir.
But you might have seen in our university while studying this BTech, right?
Yes,
In
sir.
BTech, you have in your college what you call the classroom teaching only. If not
Yes, sir.
classroom coaching, let us say classroom teaching.
Yes,
So
sir.
compared to classroom teaching, so how
Yes, sir.
effective was this yes deep learn recorded classes in your preparation?
Main thing is flexibility, sir. So whenever we get time, we can watch those videos and we can take a note. And it depends upon our timing, sir. And then uh, uh, I mean to say, watching the videos for hours. For offline coaching, it might be 8 hours, but one cannot sit for 8 hours. So
Yes.
if I want to reduce the time, I can see only 2 hours on that day. If I have very good mood to see all the videos, I can sit for 10 to 12 hours. And completing the syllabus, sir. In offline paces, offline pace, one sir has to teach with all students, sir.
Mm.
So the teaching process must be like everyone has to understand.
Mm.
So in deep learn platform, if I want to complete the syllabus quickly, I can complete it very quickly, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, Sai Praveen. And one last question, right?
yes,
Suppose some juniors come to you,
yes, sir.
and if they seek your advice,
Yes, sir.
what to go between a classroom coaching and then the ES uh, deep learn recorded class program, what do you suggest them?
Uh, if one is very determined and he want to secure very good rank, for online coaching, one must be very, very much determined, sir, so that they shouldn't distract easily. And if they want to get into, if they easily get distracted, then I will say them to join offline classes, sir. Otherwise, if someone of third year student or fourth year students, I will prefer them to join SD plan platform, sir.
ES deep learn platform, this recorded classes, right?
Yes, sir, recorded classes.
Okay. So you want to suggest that third year students and all
Yes,
to
sir.
go for this ES deep learn recorded class program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. What is the reason, Sai?
Yes, sir. Time flexibility, sir.
Yes, right. Okay.
Mostly that point is time flexibility.
Okay, right. Very good, Sai. Very good. You have
Thank you.
shared many useful points through this interview. And with this 14th rank, what are you going to do? Are you going to join PSU? Otherwise, MTech in premier colleges.
Mostly I want to join in IISc Bangalore, sir.
Right. Okay. Any specialization you thought of so far?
Yes, sir. Microelectronics and real estate.
Okay. After completing MTech, what do you want to do? Want to take
Uh,
a job, or otherwise go for research further?
I want to work with some prestigious Indian
Yes.
government organizations, sir.
Okay.
DRDO,
Right.
DARC, like that,
Okay.
or some piece research. Actually, I haven't decided it will, sir.
Okay. Right. Right. Very good. Very good. And wish you that all your dreams come true, Sai Praveen. Right.
Thank you, sir.
You deserve. And also, I once again congratulate you and
Thank you,
thank you
sir.
for sharing your valuable points with us. And also wish you good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
God bless
Thank
you, Sai Praveen.
thank you, sir.